my honey bunny, welcome to the world of magical words. In this video we will learn about magical words. In this video we will learn about 5 magical words. Magic! I'm so excited, teacher. Our first magical word is sorry. Sorry. Remember kids, if you make a mistake and hurt someone, saying sorry can fix a lot. It's like a magic. Like this boy saying, I'm sorry for stepping on your toy. Look, it works like a magic. Our next magical word is thank you. Remember kids, when someone helps and give you something, say thank you. It's like a magic. Like this girl is saying, thank you for the lollipop. Our next magical word is please. Please. When you ask for something, saying please can make it polite. Like this girl is saying, please give me a cookie. Our next magical word is excuse me. When you need to get someone attention or pass by, saying excuse me is a polite gesture. Like this girl is saying, excuse me, can you open up the door for me? So these are the magical words we learned in this video, like sorry, thank you, excuse me, please. Use these magical words in your daily life to get lots of magic around you. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoy this video. Stay connected with us. Bye bye my little cuties. But don't forget to subscribe, huh?